Hey everybody, Alex from Corso Systems. Recently, we've been updating a lot of our proposal formatting and content to include more education for our customers, helping them figure out an ROI on a project to sell things internally, describe our capabilities, how we work with technology, and most importantly, how we work with our customers and our overall process for projects. Thinking through how we work on projects, we've also addressed and looked at a lot of the types of projects that we work on. Typically in manufacturing, these will be discrete projects, so you have a start and an end with a scope of work. This may be implementing a production line, some communications, building a mobile app and back-end architecture for their system, anything you might see in a case study on our website. We also have worked a lot on staff augmentation projects. Now, these are where a company hires us to basically become staff at their company, working on various projects, providing our expertise on their architectural designs, any questions that they may have, knocking tasks off their to-do list, and overall implementing many different projects across the board. The benefits to this from the end user side are that there's a very low barrier to entry. You don't need to come up with a full project scope. You don't need to get all of the information, get all of your stakeholders in a room and figure out every single step along the way. You can simply bring in Corso Systems with some number of tasks that you want to get done across your facility. They can work alongside your existing staff. We can even become your control staff, which we do for a number of companies as well. Now, we've worked in this fashion with companies across all industries, from water, wastewater treatment to electric vehicle manufacturing, food and beverage, consumer packaged goods, and appliances. And we've had engagements that are still ongoing 7 or 8 years after they started, and many multiple year engagements that we're currently in the middle of, where we're staff augmentation for end users in various industries. The benefit to the customer is that they're paying for our time typically on a monthly basis. If we work on their projects, we charge them. If we don't, then they don't pay for us. If they have work for us to do, great, we'll take that on. We'll throw our team at it. Typically, they'll get the same engineers that are working on their project because that's who's familiar with things. It gives them most efficiency. We can also pull in any engineers across the board from our team to get them whatever they need on any part of the project. This means that you're not committing to a multiple months, potentially years-long engagement over the course of a large project. It also means that you can try before you buy, working with different companies to see how they work. Before you're investing hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars to do an entire facility, you can work with them for a couple of weeks and do a small project and get a feel for everything. You can also have a flexible scope of work that meets your needs as the customer over the life of the project, whether that's doing task-based things to check items off the to-do list, clean up loose ends that may have accumulated over years of doing larger projects, or just fix things that are nagging you. You can also add or subtract people over the course of the project. If you have a lot of work one particular month you want to get done, and take them off the next month when the workload has subsided a little bit. This saves you from having to hire people internally. You can use us to basically bring in short-term help, get work done, and get us out of there once the work is complete, or keep us on board for as long as you have work that needs to be done. You can also do this in parallel to hiring processes, since it may take 6 months to a year to hire people or to hire out a whole team and get them trained up and ready to hit the ground. We can come in on day one and get up to speed quickly and bring our expertise to the table. So we can come in while you're trying to find that team. We can also help vet people and get them up to speed when they come on board as well. So it's kind of a win-win. You're not spending time hiring people and figuring out how to train them. We can train them as part of our staff augmentation project. Another benefit is you can easily work with multiple different integration firms. So you can bring in different experts in different areas and have us team up together on a project that we may be bidding against each other if it was a static scope of work. We can come in and help each other on a project. And we've also done this across many different projects and customers over the years. Staff augmentation allows you to bring people in as you need them, add or subtract labor hours as you have projects coming up, clean up loose ends across your facility. It's an easy way to get started with an integrator, get a feel for how you work together, understand what you need to do as a customer, bringing information to the table, which is another thing that we're doing as part of our proposal process and an educational revamp of how we work and how we want to start working with customers who we haven't worked with before, is give them better tools and expectations of what we need up front to get our job done on time and under budget. And staff augmentation is one of the ways that you can start to learn what you need to do as a customer. And we've even seen projects and helped on projects where we staff augment a design team and help them come up with a scope of work for a project and roll that out for a bid process. And whether or not we bid on that is, up to the customer. But you can really find a lot of efficiency using staff augmentation compared to doing large scale projects through the life of your company. Hopefully that sheds a light on another way to work That's one of the ways that we've worked with a lot of companies over the years and had a lot of success, both internally at Corso and for the customers that we've helped with. So thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and have a great day. Thank you.